Hey guys, Park here again, back with another unboxing video. It's been a long time since I've done an unboxing video, but today I have the Beekeeper starring Jason Statham on Blu-ray and digital code. Before you guys ask, yeah, selling in theaters, and I thought the movie was good. But this movie is violent because there's a lot of killing. But uh, the cover art of the Blu-ray looks just like the poster. We got Jason, and there's a lot of bees. There's a lot of bees on there. But yeah, let's just do the unboxing. So back right here. Says, expose the corruption, protect the hive. It says, Jason Statham stars in a heart-pounding action thriller about a mysterious beekeeper, Adam Clay Statham, a former operative of a powerful organization known as Beekeepers, appends his covert life and embarks on a brutal revenge mission to dismantle corruption at the highest levels of our society. That's cool. We have some scenes from the movies right there. This movie is rated R, which is violent movie, and the movie is 105 minutes long. If a movie is rated R, then it has to be for someone that is at the age of 18 or over. But no one under the age of 18 can watch a rated R movie. But I'm sure you guys know that. But so, uh, so that's so. I guess we can get to do the unboxing of it. So, do it right there. Okay. Now we. Oh, cool. Looks amazing. But it looks hard to do it. This movie came out on Blu-ray yesterday, which was the 23rd of April. But I haven't gotten it. But now I got it. So let's take a look. So all we have is a Blu-ray disc with it's black and it says The Beekeeper, MGM. Cool. So yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed my Blu-ray digital unboxing of The Beekeeper, starring Jason Statham. If you guys haven't seen this movie, tell me in the comment section below if you saw this movie. Sorry guys, sorry about that, but, so did you guys see this movie in theaters? Or did you get it on Blu-ray? But hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe, like the video, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video, and tell me in the comment section below if you saw this movie in theaters. But said that too many times. But hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys later in another video, and bye.